Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Salonga and I'm here to talk about identity theft. A few days back, I was watching this TV commercial wherein there's these two old ladies sitting down in their living room, blissfully oblivious of the world, knitting a ball of yarn, but there's a catch. They were talking, but their voices were not their own. The voices were two men bragging and boasting about how successful they are, stealing the identities, and boasting about what they have bought with the money that they've stolen from the two old ladies. The commercial was supposed to be funny and amusing, but however, we should take the commercial more seriously because it's meant to warn everyone how prevalent identity theft it is today. And it's not very funny when your identity gets stolen. I have a friend who is always doing her business on the internet. She's paying her bills online through the internet. She purchases things from the internet. And sometimes, unknowingly, she throws her receipt and documents, which does not seem very important to her, in the trash. After a couple of days, she returned her bank statement, and to her surprise, she saw that she was charged $500 on a purchase that she or neither her husband has ever made. Luckily for my friend, she was able to discover this on time and save herself a lot of heartache. I am here to talk about the meaning of identity theft and how they use the information they obtain from you to commit fraud, and how to protect yourself and to prevent you from being future victims of such evil schemes. What I have here is a written material wherein it could further clarify my main points as I go through them. Identity theft occurs when someone uses your personally identifying information like name, phone number, credit card number, and social security number without your permission to commit fraud or other crimes against the law. The first point is, let me talk to you about the strategies that the thieves do in order to commit fraud. First is credit card fraud. They might open an account on your name, and when they don't pay the bill, the charges will they will run up charges on your account, and it will appear on your credit report. Or the other thing is they might change your mailing address on your credit card, and you will never know that they've stolen your money because it can take a long time before you notice the mailing discrepancy. The second one is utility fraud, wherein they can connect internet, telephone services, cable or TV subscriptions under your name without you knowing. The third is bank or finance fraud, wherein they could create counterfeit checks or issue illegal checks under your name. They can also clone your ATM card or credit card and withdraw money electronically from it. They can also get loans from the bank and use your name. The fourth one is government fraud. They can use your identity to claim government benefits as well as file your income tax for you. So you're all probably wondering how they were able to obtain your information, right? Well, it is quite simple. Actually, some of us doesn't even know how it happened. But they sometimes do dumpster diving, wherein they go through common household trash to find for personal documents that can be used for identity theft. The second one is scheming, wherein they have this small device that they use to store a credit card number while you are doing your purchases. The third is phishing, wherein they present themselves as financial institutions that send you email or pop-ups to ask you to reveal personal information. The fourth is changing card billing address. So when the time for the statement needs to come, you don't even know that they have already gotten your information because they already gained access through your personal mail. And number four is stealing purses or wallets. They can result to old-fashioned stealing, wherein, of course, all your personal documents are already in your purse, which makes it more easy for them. Six is pretexting. Some of the financial thieves or identity thieves call your house phone and pretend to be reputable financial companies and make you reconfirm the information that they've already stolen from you. Detection can sometimes take days or weeks, and if ever, in any case, you find out that any of this fraud occurs under your name, you can do the following things right here. First of all, you need to file a police report. Just go to the nearest police station in your house, in your area. Second is dispute any transactions without your authorization. Stop all bank transactions immediately. Cut your credit cards. Cut everything that could cost you your money. Number three is get a credit report from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Annually, you get a free credit report from these services. Okay, in order for you to avoid this painful inconvenience, you can do some preventions of your own. Number one is always monitor financial and personal information. And number two, you should always shred and dispose mails and documents properly so they won't have a chance to be able to get their hands on your information. Number three, never trust anybody, any information, and don't give your information voluntarily, even though they profess to be from reputable financial companies, until you reconfirm their identity. Number four is inform your friends and family and other members of your community about identity theft. If you are interested for more in-depth information about identity theft, you can visit the website of Federal Trade Commission at www.ftc.gov. Once again, I would like to emphasize the importance of being alert and cautious about your personal information. I hope I made you realize the importance of protecting your own identity. And always remember that awareness is the best weapon that you can have to battle identity theft. Once again, I thank you for your time, and thank you.